Hi, my name's Phillip Blanchard. I'm the owner and director, head brewer of Hafod Brewing Company in Mould. I think the craft beer revolution, as it's been called, it started across in America about 10-15 years ago. And basically that's come over to the UK and heavily influenced the market for really fresh, very hoppy beers brewed with all natural ingredients, which is a complete change from, say, the big brewers with just their standard traditional bitters. It's a fresh new approach, and people are really going for it. Twice winning best in class and bronze overall in the North Wales Beer Championships, where I've beaten some very big competitors. And it was not bad. I mean, the beer we were producing at the time on the small kit up at home on the one barrel plant, and for someone starting out on that size sort of kit to win it for 2 years in a row, I was really pleased with that. Well, the probably good characteristics of being in business, but not as a human being, would be obsessive about getting your way, basically. Just go at it like a terrier, just don't let go. Basically want to carry on selling as much beer as we can, expand the company and potentially look at exporting across the world.